So there is a difference between Chameleon Flakes and Chameleon Powders. They do different things, but they also do the same thing. Hiya, it's Wendy here again from Toonpish Crafts, and I hope you're doing okay. Today I'm going to do a little video regarding Chameleon Flakes and Chameleon Powders. Now, I've had a couple of conversations recently with some other crafters who got completely confused when it came to the differences between Chameleon Flakes and Powders. So I went out to Amazon and I bought some Chameleon Flakes and Chameleon Powders, both from Let's Resin, and let's have a look at the differences. So I've got some Christmas snowflake moulds and they come in a pack of, I don't know, 15 or something. I've got quite a lot of them, so I thought I'd pick out the best ones. They're not great quality, but they're okay. And to start with, I'm going to use the blue Chameleon powder. Now, it's easy to use the powder. You put it on the brush, you brush it in the mould. Pretty much that's it. These Chameleon powders are gorgeous, and I will run through all the colours in the pack. This one's the plum. Gorgeous colour. They all are gorgeous colours, to be honest with you. Olive. That's a different colour to me. I couldn't work out whether it was gold or green. Mint. Lovely colour. Again, I'm just going to run through everything really quickly with this so you get the picture. Golden. What a gorgeous colour this is. Really, really sparkly gold as well. And teal. Teal is one of my favourite colours. It's kind of blue, kind of green, but I do love blues. And grape, another different colour for me. There's some gorgeous colours in this box. Magenta, lovely pinky colour. And galaxy. Now, I have used a few of these colours before on a previous project, but most of them haven't even been opened. Champagne. Oh, how gorgeous is that? Pinky rose gold. Gorgeous. And here they are, all dusted up and ready for black resin, because black will show off the colour a lot better. I'm using Vista Rapids and their black colorant, which is extremely smooth and beautiful to mix with. But I have only used it in the Vista resin, so I'm not sure whether it will be the same in other resins. Can't see why not though. And the cotton bud is always good for getting rid of those little overspills. Now, I did go around all of these moulds with a micro brush to get rid of air bubbles as well. So now I'm just going to choose a couple of colours. One colour from each pack. Mint from the powder selection. And I'm just going to put it on the same mould so you can see the difference between how they come out, how they're used. This is obviously a powder. You just dip the brush in and it goes a long way. A long, long way. Now, I haven't been sponsored by Let's Resin. These were purchased with my own money and this is my own opinion. It is an unbiased opinion, but it is just my opinion. Taking out the lime of the Chameleon Flakes, and I'm using this one. Now you can see it's floating around in the air. It's like really fine gold leaf. That's the only way I can describe it. It's like a green gold leaf. And it's really difficult to apply. It doesn't spread. You have to use a lot of it, but look at the shine on that. Look at the colour. Both beautiful colours, but the flakes are flakes. You can't get away from it. They are stunning. So this is the flake box. Intense colours it says, and they really are intense. Comes with its own little brush. And I'm just going to pop through the colours. We've got blue. Look at the stunning colour. But they are difficult to apply. Now some people use makeup brushes to apply these, but when you're doing a tiny little snowflake mould, you can't get makeup brush in there. So I always use a brush with flakes, but you do have to kind of jam the brush into the mould to get the flakes in there. They don't spread and it is difficult. However, look at that colour. They are stunning, but you do get flakes everywhere as well. Fuchsia, that's another gorgeous colour. Again, look at them floating in the air. It's like a contamination of flakes. Violet, beautiful dark purple. And it's kind of got a blue tint to it. Green, again stunning, stunning shiny green. And the lime. I'm just putting the black resin on them. I'm just showing you that I'm doing that, and I do go around with a micro brush to get all the bubbles out. Now I thought I'd show you the difference of mixing powder and flakes into resin. So I chose a couple at random from the boxes, and I'm going to mix them in the same resin, come from the same cup. So the powder mixes a little slowly, and I have sped everything up as usual, but it does mix in. It does mix in. A bit of a strange colour to go on its own, this one, but still gorgeous. Now this is what happens when you mix the flakes in with resin. I was mixing that for quite some time. You can't really mix them into resin. You could add another colour to it, but it doesn't make its own colour. It makes flakes in resin. That's pretty much what it does. So one mixes in resin and the other doesn't. So basically we've got here is a clear resin with flakes in it. And on this one, it's definitely mixed. So I'm just going to demold these quickly and show you what each colour is. Blue flakes. The shine on that is unreal. Fuchsia. They are stunning colour shifts as well. Violet flakes, kind of a pink and blue. Green flakes, got a pink there too. And the lime, which is a gold blue, green type colour. Okay, so demolding the powder, and ignore the bottles where they are. They're not the correct bottle next to the correct flake. This is grape. We have Galaxy next. Gorgeous grey, greeny colour. Champagne. That's a pinky gold. Gold one way, pink another. Magenta. Teal. Kind of a green blue. Golden. How gorgeous is golden? Mint powder. Olive. Now some of these powders look more chameleon than others, but I have put them on a flat surface so it doesn't give them a great effect. And the blue. So There is a difference between Chameleon Flakes and Chameleon Powders. They do different things, but they also do the same thing. So on this side, which is my left, probably your right, this is Chameleon Flakes. Definitely a shiny surface without a doubt. And this one is Chameleon Powder. Again, very shiny, but not quite as shiny as the Flakes. It's a nice alternative if you can't get hold of Flakes. They are gorgeous colours, don't get me wrong, they're all gorgeous colours, and the Chameleon Powders you can get in so many different colours. Chameleon Flakes are a little bit harder to get hold of, more expensive, but a little bit, in my opinion, more vibrant and shiny. Anyway, I hope this has held true in some way. It's a bit of a long-winded way of telling you the difference, but I thought seeing it might help you. Okay. I'll put some stills up at the end anyway. Come back and see what I'm up to next week, because you never know what I'm going to be up to. And have a great week. Bye for now.